Welcome back. Jesus has just prayed for the protection and sanctification of the 11 disciples with him in the upper room. Now, in this final portion of his prayer, he lifts his eyes from the present moment and looks down through the corridors of time. He begins to pray for every single person who would ever come to believe in him through the disciples' message. He starts praying for us. Jesus broadens his prayer, saying, I do not ask for these only, but also for those who will believe in me through their word. That's us. And what is his primary, repeated request for the future church? Unity. He prays that they may all be one, just as you, Father, are in me and I in you, that they also may be in us. This isn't a prayer for institutional uniformity or for believers to never disagree. It's a prayer for a deep, organic unity of spirit based on our shared life in God, mirroring the perfect oneness of the Father and the Son. And why is this unity so important? Jesus gives the reason immediately, so that the world may believe that you have sent me. Jesus makes our love and unity for one another the primary apologetic to a watching world. He essentially gives the world permission to judge the truth of his mission based on how his followers treat each other. He then explains the source of this unity, a shared glory. The glory that you have given me, I have given to them, that they may be one, even as we are one. The glory Jesus received from the Father, a glory displayed in sacrificial love and humble service, is the same glory he gives to us. And it is the shared glory that unites us. He repeats his evangelistic purpose for the unity, but adds an even more astonishing dimension. He prays that the world may know not only that the Father sent him, but that the Father has loved them even as you loved me. Our unity is meant to be a living demonstration to the world of God's incredible personal love for his people. Jesus concludes with his ultimate desire for us. Father, I desire that they also, whom you have given me, may be with me where I am, to see my glory. His deepest longing is to bring his family home, to be with him forever, and for us to behold his full unveiled glory. In his final prayer, Jesus' greatest concern for his future church is its unity. He knows that our love for one another will be the most powerful sermon we could ever preach to a skeptical world. In a culture that is increasingly fractured and divided, a church that displays a supernatural, self-sacrificial unity becomes an almost irresistible testimony to the power of a loving God. The way we treat each other as believers isn't a secondary issue. It's central to the mission He has given us. Take a moment to consider one practical way you can build unity and show the love of Christ to another believer, knowing that in doing so, you are helping to answer Jesus' prayer.